this is a proceeding done by the National Investigation Agency. They are there to do that. The case is under investigation with them, so I should not be able to comment on it. Yes, they had asked for the police help to go and issue that attachment order. That has been done.